Hello, students of Standard 6. I hope you remember this poem. What is the game? What is this game? Dear students, we have learned in part 1, 2, 3 that how Javed Akhtar speaks about the game called chess. I have told you, chess is a game of mind. It needs full attention and care for the game to play the chess. Because he says that king and queen, especially king, has to be protected all times. He cannot move here and there alone. He needs protection. Because once king is captured, the full game gets over. Cannot happen. And Javed Akhtar also says that this game is a real wartime game. The two-side war goes on. Like that, one opponent sees another side one. And they try to fight and exact the same. The pieces are like the people in war. Soldiers, king, queen, pawn. And he says once pawn goes out, leaves the home, it can never return back. It has to be here and there, moving and protecting, playing the game. So children, by now you know, and most of you know to play also, and you will be able to understand the last paragraph of this poem too. Here he says, I wonder, this game, why does it have such a rule that once a pawn leaves home, it can never return. He says once pawn leaves, it can never return. I wonder, what is this game? I wonder if this is the game. Then, what is the game? He's telling, if this is the game, then what is in this game? It is a real. It is acting the properly same copy of the war. I have been wrestling with these questions for a long time. He is telling, I have been wrestling, means trying to understand, to solve this difficulty of the game. But this question for a long time, remains for a long time. He is trying to solve. He is unable, thinking what to be done. Meanwhile, my opponent has made him win. He is telling, I have been thinking and I have been solving this difficulty of the game. Meanwhile, my opponent takes his time and moves the pieces. His time is again gone and my time has come and awaits mine. He says, made a move and awaits mine. His time has come back and he is waiting for it. So dear children, this is the game opponent and oneself play. They play fully. If you lose the time, if you lose the chance, you go imagining here and there, opponent will make use of the time. Miss the chance and your time will go. You can lose. So you have to have a proper attention and care on the game. You can't think here and there. You can't move out. You have to do it properly. This game of mind makes and shows how intelligent you are, how careful you are, how much attention you are paying to it. He says, The title of the poem is appropriate because the poet is clearly confused whether to call chess a game at all. If he regards the chess pieces as lifeless toy, then there is neither any pleasure in winning nor in losing the game. It becomes a boring activity and cannot be called a game. On other hand, if the threat or the So children, once again I tell you, this game was played as war. War time they have played and they have made a chess in the board 64 check squares. And they play thinking and imagining how to defeat the opponent. And accordingly, they have been playing it. Dear children, if you are as opponent and how you are going to defeat your opponent, how your attention is on the king, how to defeat, how to capture the king. Main point is to clear the way and reach to the king to get it. Capture him. So, we have to learn this game and quicken our mind as we play very attentively. Success is with us. In our daily life too, we can have attention and care, careful when we can have success in our life. Difficulty comes, we cannot be far away from the attention, care, and whatever we do, we should be full in that. When we are fully put oneself in that, success is very sure. Life is full of difficulties and also happiness as the day and night comes. Night comes darkness and day brings brightness to our life. So, we cannot be afraid of anything, but we should pay attention to our goal, our aim. Do you understand? Dear children, if you have any difficulty, you can call upon my phone and we'll clear the doubt. This very famous poem is written by Javed Akhtar. You can find many stories, poems about him through the net also you can get, and the books are available in library too. So thank you children, take care, learn properly. Okay, bye.